What is going on, guys? Flying Gazelle, and the first video at my new desk is going to be me opening my new wireless keyboard. I ordered an RK keyboard. It is wireless. Let me get the official name. RK Royal Kludge RK61 mechanical gaming keyboard. That's what I ordered. My friend just got one and showed me how cool it was and how good it was. And it's smaller, more compact than my other keyboard I have right now, which, just look at its size compared to it in the box. This is the Logitech, I don't know. I really like it. I like the black key caps and the metal plate, but it takes up a lot of desk space and I don't like the long cord running through it, so I ordered this. Let's get to it. Dun dun dun. Oh wow, that is really small. So, just instructions, function keys, keyboard, backlight. Cool. User manual, just a thing. Oh man. Ooh, look at that. Not bad. I like it. On. Ooh, pretty. Holy cow, that's cool. No adjustable little tabs. It's fine. It's kind of at an angle as it is. Let's go through the user manual real quick. It's in Japanese. Is the other side in English? Ah, alright. Backlight mode introduction. Function and / switches the cycles. I'm gonna grab my camera. It says there's 17, so that's 1, 2. Oh. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Does it just stay blue? Looks like it. 11. Hi. Oh, that's cool. 12. Oh, that's cool. Hi. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Should be back to 1. Alright. So that's switching the light displays. Switch backlight color. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, dark blue, pink, white, rainbow. That's cool. Control the brightness is function. That's max. Speed of backlight is the function. So you can see it speeds up faster. Max. So that's how slow it goes. That's how fast it goes. That's cool. Cool. So I'm going to set this up with my desktop, and then I'll be right back to it. If I want to change the keycaps, I believe that's how. I think that's what this is for. I don't know. It comes with the charging cable, and it turns out my iBuyPower from 3 years ago does not have Bluetooth, so I have to use the wire. But I was thinking about upgrading this anyways, so I'm gonna see if I could possibly get Bluetooth installed, or I might try to just sell this PC and get a new one, or sell this and use my laptop and just hook it up to this, because my laptop is probably just as good as this. Seriously, just look at the size comparison. It's awesome. I have so much more room for activities. This I ordered, I believe these are red switch. Sounds a little different, but still, I'm happy. So I'm gonna go through these again and see which one I think I like. Which ones change the light? Oh, that's brightness. Backlight color is this one. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through this and pick my favorite, and then that's it. I don't think I'm gonna try to game with this. I might. Pretty much my beginning thoughts. For $70, worth it for sure. It comes in black, white, and a pro version, and it also comes in red, brown, and blue. I have the red switches. So yeah. Completing the setup.